Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Fixer.com, and in today's video I want to welcome our new Fixer freelancer student, Karl Christian. So if you're a German, Karl Christian, so welcome to the freelancer course. Hi, great to have you on board. Appreciate you joining the course. I think you made a great decision. Freelancing is a very, very exciting industry. And yeah, in these welcome videos, first of all, I want to tell you you're appreciated. You are welcomed in the Fixer freelancer course. I'm here to help you. Like all Fixer creators are here to help you. The other freelancer students even are here to help you and themselves to become more successful. So we are a community of like-minded people. You have access to the Discord mastermind group where we help each other out. We share successes. I'm active in the group myself. I check it out once per week, answer like everything that concerns me. And yeah, so great to have you on board. Otherwise, I want to discuss some. So by the way, if you are like I'm here with my son, he's playing video games. So we can switch the screen. He's playing Fallout Shelter. I think it's a very funny game. So if you hear any like annoying noises, it's because of the game sounds. Okay. So anyways, in this video, I want to discuss an exciting niche that could be interesting for all kind of coders, which is data analysis. And it sounds very complicated, and it shies away many coders actually that think they cannot excel in this niche because it requires advanced math skills or anything, right? Data science skills and stuff. But it's really like nothing could be further from the truth. I think it's like data analytics niche. This is, by the way, on Upwork. And if you browse like different freelancers on Upwork, as well as my own experience in data analytics, I have a strong experience. So I even did my PhD thesis in data analytics related field. You can see that like businesses pay premium hourly rate for data analytic services, right? This guy, for example, makes $150 per hour. This basically shows you that there's no upper ceiling in freelancing, right? I mean, if you make $150 per hour and you say work 10 hours per day, or you can bill 10 hours per day, you can make $1,500 per day. And of course, you can hire other freelancers to help you out, right? You can scale up, you can become your own little small agency. So if you have enough demand for your services, you can always scale up. Freelancing, there's no ceiling in freelancing, in providing freelancing services. Okay, but anyway, I want to show you that there's no need to be shy about your skills, right? You can now, as you are, you can already start offering your services. For example, this guy, Aaron, he makes $80 per hour. He has great job success score, and this is critical. If you're in the course, I will actually show you. I will like one of the skills I focus on teaching you as a new freelance student is to actually target a very, very high job success score, right? I mean, because if you have a high job success score, Upwork will recommend you. Upwork will give you the top rated badge as this freelancer bill, and it will recommend you to other clients. And this means that you always have demand for your services if you're a top rated freelancer. Top rated means you belong to the top 5%, and you can actually accomplish this by having like above 90% job success score and having a certain income on Upwork, so experience on Upwork. Okay, and you see, like then data analytics can also concern things like dashboards or Google Analytics. Like this guy, Aaron, and as well this guy, Bill, they both focus on Google Analytics and Tag Manager. If you look at their headlines here, Google Analytics and Tag Manager in the tagline, and this one, Google Analytics and Tag Manager, right? So this is actually they are hyper focused, making premium hourly rates. So if you make $80 per hour, you work 8 hours a day, it's like $640 per day, which I think is a great income. And what they do is they basically help you set up Google Analytics, and the Google Tag Manager on your site, and then maybe help with some follow-up tasks like setting up a funnel and goals in your Google Analytics dashboard and stuff, right? So they really understand one tool well, which is Google Analytics, and they help businesses set it up, because almost any web-based business, or I would say any web-based business, needs Google Analytics. So this is a skill that is highly demanded. It's very simple to do for a coder, right? A coder understands, like the code you need to touch is just a couple of JavaScript codes that you need to embed in the site, right? But many clients, so we have millions of business owners in the world, and not all business owners understand setting up these Google Analytics dashboards well, right? Many actually struggle. Many would hire a freelancer to set it up for them. They would even pay $80 per hour and pay a freelancer maybe 5 hours, so $400 to set it up, instead of spending weeks and weeks themselves, right? I mean, if a freelancer basically has an income of, if a business owner, the value of the time of a business owner is maybe $50 per hour or $100 per hour or so, they would rather pay you $80 per hour to set it up in half the time or 1/10 of the time than learning everything themselves, right? It's actually a smart thing to do, to hire other experts to do the things. Even if the hourly rate seems to be high, it's still a good return on investment activity. And that's why those people actually make a lot of money, right? You see, like this one makes $150 per hour, $80 per hour, $85 per hour, $120 per hour, $150 per hour, $75 per hour. So these are like very interesting niches to be in, and they are not very advanced. You can just focus on this. You can learn like tools such as Google Analytics, right? You just need to do the right things. This is more important. And if you do the right things, even if it is simple, even if it is not very advanced, you offer great service, you become top rated, you communicate well, you do all the business basics well, actually, that we teach in the Things the Freelancer course and that you will learn in the upcoming lessons. If you do all those things right, I mean, you can make a great living. You can scale it up like almost limitlessly, right? There's no ceiling. $150 per hour, and you can hire other people to actually do things for you, to actually handle more demand if you have more demand. So it is, I think, freelancing is a very, very exciting industry to be in this year. And in this decade, I don't think it's going away, right? It's a long-term trend. If you look at the Google Trends, like the 10-year trend, it just explodes and it keeps exploding for many, many years. Okay, anyways, thanks for joining the course. And yeah, if you have any questions, then don't hesitate to ask. You can contact me in the mastermind group or per email. Hopefully you will finish your first gig for Thingster, so you gain some experience. We invite you to the Upwork platform so you can actually finish your first gig, get your first 100% job success score, right? For your like 1 out of 1 successful gigs means 100% job success score. So you have your shot on becoming like a top-rated freelancer and increasing demand for your services. Thanks for joining, and see you in the course. Bye.